G'day, it's Jay and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do this little variation of a simple French braid. So for starters, to get that extra volume, I did a crimper straighten. So if you're not familiar with how to crimper straighten, I recommend checking out that video first before doing this style. Then here I'm just adding a little bit of dry shampoo to the roots just to help give it a little bit extra lift. So to make the braid, now sorry my camera work isn't that great in this tutorial, but pretty much what I did is I took sections from both the left and the right and did a traditional French braid. However, I left a small diagonal part line from the left side that I'm going to bring that other smaller plait in. You'll see later on. And you want to repeat this braid all the way down to the bottom of the hair. Once you finish braiding, you're wanting to put a little bit of Tame Wild mixed with a little bit of hair gel. And what this is going to do is just help when you pull those little sections out to stay in place. So I just slowly went around the hair and just pulled out little sections just to give a little bit of extra volume, as well as I pancaked the plait at the bottom. Then you want to do a lace braid with the remainder hair on the left. Now it's important that you sit that over top of the part line so that there's no clear distinct line between the two plaits. Continue this all the way down the hair. Once you've finished braiding, go through and pancake the hair. Once you're happy with the texture of the hair, grab a topsy tail. Now here I did about 2 inches above where I started the bottom plait and I just pulled it through. Once you're happy with the position of the hair, add a stronghold hairspray to finish off the style. And this is the end style. I hope you enjoyed. As always, I'll leave a link to all the products that I use as well as included at the end of this video.